Hey guys, this is review for Blue Buffalo dry dog food. Fits for adult small size dog. My miniature poodle sitting around the table. She's about 18 pounder and she loves those Blue Buffalo dry food. I got a 1 spoon Blue Buffalo dry food, and then I add a little bit different flavor of Caesar meatloaf, just 1 spoon of Caesar meatloaf, and then I just mix the dry food and meatloaf together carefully, make sure every piece is mixed together. The Blue Buffalo dry food contains the real food, real meat, so everything is very organic. You can see my dog, she just loves those things. She's even licking everything from the fork. Now I just put the Caesar away, put all the food away. Now it's eating time. Bingo. Actually, this is her first time eating on the table. She's a little bit camera shy, but she really loved those Blue Buffalo dry dog food mixed with the Caesar loaf. You can see she eating every single bees, and she loved it. She even double lipping those bowl, and she trying to find anything else. And that's it. And we're keeping using those Blue Buffalo dry food for over 2 years, and she loved it. And we try everything. This is the one at least fit for my dog. This is 18-pounder miniature poodle. She loves it. 5-star for my dog. That's my review. Thank you.